Hi, everybody. I'm from the customer service department in Rocky. My name is Zhu Zhigang, a customer service engineer. If you have any question, I'll try my best to help you. Okay. Before we knew the basic structure of the robot. Now we'll learn more detailed information about our HMI. We called xPad. This lesson has four parts. Part 1, dependent introduce. Part 2, operation interface. Part 3, state monitoring. Part 4, exercise. Okay. First, we'll introduce our teach pendant. Do you know the teach pendant function? You can use the teach pendant to perform all functions related to the robot, such as write or debug program, view the system state, set the system parameter, and so on. The Titanic system is equipped with the teach pendant we called xPad. So uh, after this, LC PID means the teach pendant. Okay, first the button and the interface. You can let's take a look at the button and the interface on the PID. On the right pictures, you can see the PID. A lot of parts. Part A, mode selector key switch. Here we have two modes, manual and automatic. B, the emergency stop button to trigger the emergency stop. C, here, single step run button to run one instruction forward or backward and to debug the robot program. The D, customer function, used to define the functions for each button individually. The FN6 is already occupied and cannot be defined. You can use the customer function to define the velocity, the signal, or other things. Okay. E, stop button. To stop the robot program, when you run the program, you want to stop the robot, you can push it, and the robot will pause the program. F, start button to start the robot program. You can run the program in automatic mode, and if you you first you push the stop button and you want to run the uh, program again, you can push the start button. Okay. Part G, jog button. You can move the robot, the six joints, uh, in different coordinate. H. R button for power the motor in automatic mode. I. 3. Position enabling switch is used to move and enable the robot in menu mode. G. USB interface. You can connect the USB stick and back up or restore the program. And it is protected with a rubber cover here. Hey, touch pen. You can use the pen to touch the screen and debug the program or other things, whatever. What do you want? Okay, L, reserved button. Okay, finish. The lessons part 2, operation interface. The interface is divided into 6 parts. Main menu button, log box, status bar, quick sighting bar, uh, mechanical unit, and jog instruction. Part A, Part B, C, D, E, F. F, the main display area, display different contents according to the function operations. For detail, refer to the main page. Okay, the state bar. The operating mode controller operation states, robot operation states, and the latest log of Titanate system can be judged by the states bar icon. The A, log box. B, work mode, manual or auto mode. C, robot movement states, run or stop. D, controller states include initialization, server enabling, server disabling, emergency stop, or normal stop robot fault. E, the currently active mechanical unit and the operating mode. The operating mode includes files-free mode and position mode. When in position mode, the robot or track icon is displayed, and only the active mechanical unit can be jogged. When in files-free mode, it displays to jog robot icon here. Okay, quick sighting. Quick sighting is used to quick adjust the jog program operating parameter and also indicates the current parameter sighting states. A, loop mode, single operation and loop operation. B, jog increment mode, both continuous jog and incremental jog are available, and the incremental step size can be adjusted, so you can move the robot uh, 1 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 100 millimeter, or 1 degree, 10 degree, and other. So sometimes when you move the robot, you find the robot can't move or just a little bit. You can check the increment mode and select continuous jog. Okay, continue. C. Jog speed setting. Uh, adjust the move speed and time of jogging. Uh, the adjustable range is 1% to 100%. D. The program operation speed, the same, the same. The range is 1% to 100%. This parameter also affects the program running speed under both manual and automatic mode. The E, foresight, or select the tool and used for jog or program. F, work object setting, for select the work object used for jog and program. G, G, where's G? G. Oh, here. The jog reference system setting, which is used to select single axis or Cartesian mode, and the reference coordinate system in Cartesian mode here. When you select here, will show the axis or the Cartesian X, Y, Z, A, B, C. Okay, next, log management. In Titan system, provides a detailed log of operations that can be used to trace the operation of robot and identify the cause of failure. Filter the generated log and view other operation. Use a log management interface. A, B. Uh, the these areas, the featuring condition area, you can select different type, uh, alarm, state, notice, and the other type. The system is different, maybe have some change. Okay, the B, in the log display area, you can see name, type, time, number. Each page contains 10 items. You can use the page turn button to switch between the previous, previous and the next pages. Detail page, log detail, log detail. You can click on a log, and enter the log detail page. It content in its content include the detailed explanation of the log, the reason for the log, and the recommended solution. Resource manager. The Titanate needs system user program using a resource manager page. All the user's program are stored on the main controller. You can use the resource manager to create, delete, copy, paste, rename, and the other field operation. The, the these areas is is directory tree show all user projects under the main controller workspace directory. This area, the field list show all program fields under the folder selected on the left. You select here in this area will show all the program. See, this area is the uh, the the you can create, delete, copy, paste, rename the function bar. Okay, continue. Program editor. The program editor is used to write the robot program. The table page on the top of the edit windows indicates the name of the currently edit field. Part A. Part A. The operation indicator area, which shows the line number, program pointer, and movement pointer. Part B. Main edit area, in which the keyword keywords are highlighted. Part C, the instruction edit area, in which the Titanet system provides a convenient interface for inserting instruction and modify instructions, and supports repeat ins insertion and modification of the most RL instructions. D, tool button bar. For button bar, you can insert, modify, debug, routine, update position, project manager, and more. E, the currently loaded field name. Okay. Okay, the lessons part 3, states monitoring. Okay. In here, you can monitor the robot states, uh, the current joint angle, spatial position, I/O states, and socket states. First, the robot position. You can see axis angle, Cartesian position, and the coordinate system. Um, the the spatial position of the end can be selected to be displayed in 3 coordinate system, which are the work object, base coordinate, system, world coordinate system. When using the handhold tool or external tool, the end effector spatial position relate relative to different coordinate system and are shown and below. Handhold tool, external tool, uh, a tool relative with the world coordinate, base, work object, But when you use the external tools, uh, such as glue uh, or in the stand. So the robot will pick the part. So the tool and the work object exchanged. So the tool relative to the flange coordinate system and relative to work object coordinator system. Okay, continue. The I/O you can select a different type, uh, DIDO, GIGO, AIO. So do you know the DIDO means? It's digital input or output. GIGO, group input, group output. AIAO, uh, analog. Wait, see. Analog input or output, you can select a different type and can simulate the output. Okay. Uh, next is the task and socket. When you use the multi-task or socket function, you will see the diff the maybe two or three tasks either run or stop, and the socket will have some parameters, IP, port, type, name. Mm. So if you want to know more information, the other lessons you will know more detailed information. Okay, today's lesson is finished. Part 4 exercise. We have three questions. How many one, how many parts consists of the state monitoring and what information can we get from it? So the position, the IO, the task, the task socket. Okay, socket. So you can get a lot of information. So you need to uh, review this lesson. And two, how many types of log in the diagnostic interface can view? Okay, the notice, alarm, state, all the detailed information. Okay, and the question three is the coordinate. Use the handheld tool or external tool. The the tool will relative with a different system. You can try to see it, and you can check the PPT to make sure, and you can think about it the whole hand tool or external tool. Okay, this lesson is finished, and this is my email address, 朱志刚 and rocketing.com, and thank you for all listening. And today our lessons is finished. Please send a message or email to us if you have any questions you don't understand. Okay, thank you. See you next time. Bye.